Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google BigQuery access with IAM roles, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Google BigQuery access with IAM roles, start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the IAM and Admin section from the left-hand menu. Click on the IAM option to view your project's current permissions. Identify the user or service account that requires access to BigQuery. If the account does not exist, create a new one by selecting Add. Enter the email address of the user or service account you want to add. Next, assign the appropriate IAM roles for BigQuery access. Choose roles such as BigQuery User, BigQuery Data Viewer, or BigQuery Admin based on the level of access needed. Make sure to refer to the official Google Cloud documentation for a complete list of available roles and their permissions. After selecting the roles, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Confirm that the roles have been added successfully by reviewing the IAM list. To check if the permissions are correct, open the BigQuery console. Attempt to run a simple query or access a dataset with the authorized account. If any permission issues arise, return to the IAM section to modify roles as needed. It may also be beneficial to periodically review and audit IAM roles assigned to users. This ensures that access levels remain appropriate to user needs. Now you have successfully authorized Google BigQuery access with IAM roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.